You loved part 1, so let's run it back with a twist. This time, we're zooming in on 7 specific cities around the world that offer money, perks, or paid programs just for showing up. These aren't vague promises or gimmicks. They're real initiatives from governments, tourism boards, or innovation zones that want you there. Let's get into it. Number 1. Albinen, Switzerland. $25,000 to move in. This mountain village is bleeding young people. To bring in fresh life, Albinen pays families up to 25,000 Swiss francs per adult and 10,000 per child to relocate. While it's aimed at long stays, short-term stays often come with free housing trials to test the waters. How to apply? Visit Albinen's town website or inquire through valet.ch. You'll need to stay at least 10 years to keep the cash, but shorter grants are negotiable via local agencies. Next up, Augusta in Sicily has joined the growing list of Italian cities offering free or nearly free homes to creatives and remote workers through the €1 home program. And, some visitors even receive grants for repairs, guided tours, and language courses. So, if you're interested, here's how to apply. Just check out local announcements from the Comune di Augusta or partner sites like oneeurohouses.com. And, get this, some programs will actually cover your flight costs if you're selected. Moving over to the United States, Tulsa, Oklahoma is offering $10,000 in cash, a free co-working space, and plenty of community support to digital nomads who are willing to relocate for a year through the Tulsa Remote program. So, if you're interested, here's how to apply. Just head over to tulsaremote.com, submit your proof of remote income, and then complete a virtual interview. It's honestly pretty straightforward. Next up, number 4. Ponga, Spain, with a €3,000 relocation bonus. This quiet town in Asturias will actually pay up to €3,000 per adult, and even an extra €3,000 per child to anyone who moves in. That's a pretty amazing incentive if you ask me. Shorter cultural exchanges, by the way, also include free room and board for volunteers or language teachers. And if you're wondering how to apply, just reach out through Ponga's local government page or check out the Asturias Regional Council programs. It's a great way to get started. Number 5. Vienna, Austria. Free museum pass plus travel stipend for students. Vienna's tourism board, actually gives free public transport and cultural passes to student visitors. And on top of that, there's a €250 grant for youth exchange participants who stay more than 3 weeks. So, how do you apply? Well, you just need to go through wien.info under cultural exchange or student programs. This offer is valid for EU and select non-EU countries. Number 6. Banff, Canada. Subsidized work travel programs. Ever wanted to visit Canada's most stunning national park and actually get paid for it? Banff and Lake Louise hire seasonal staff with paid lodging, travel reimbursements, and, get this, signing bonuses of up to $1,000 Canadian dollars. So here's how you can apply. Check out banfflakelouise.com/jobs, or, you can also work with agencies like Swap Canada if you want a guaranteed spot. Number 7 on our list is Groningen, in the Netherlands, where visitors can get over €100 in vouchers for museums, bikes, and cafes. Some Erasmus and short-stay visitors even receive stipends for housing and transport. Pretty cool, right? So, how do you apply? Well, just register at visitgroningen.nl or through your host university if you're attending a short course. It's actually pretty straightforward. These 7 cities are literally paying you to come experience their culture work remotely or even settle down. From the mountains of Switzerland to the prairies of Oklahoma, the world is ready to roll out the red carpet for a price. So, which of these caught your eye? Comment below, and hey, don't forget to subscribe for part 3. We've barely scratched the surface.